In this video, I will show you how to connect a Facebook page in Meta Ads Manager. First, log into your Meta Ads account. Go to the left side of your screen and open your menu list. Scroll down and click on All Tools. When the pop-up appears, select Business Settings. It's in the first column of the seventh row. Once you're in your Business Settings board, go to the left menu and click on Pages. On the main board, click on Add, then choose Add an existing Facebook page. A pop-up will appear asking for your page URL. Go to your Facebook page, copy the link from the address bar, then go back and paste it in. After that, click Next, agree to the terms and conditions, and hit Add Page. A confirmation prompt will show. Just click Done and your page is now connected. And that's how to connect a Facebook page in Meta Ads Manager.